Hey YouTube, today we're building this gift with purchase Lego set, the Wintertime Carriage Ride set. Hey everyone and welcome to Brick Talk TV. Today we're doing yet another speed build episode and we're also doing yet another gift with purchase build. Before we get going though, do remember to hit that like button if you enjoy this episode. Today's set was a gift with purchase that was released in December 2023. It's called Wintertime Carriage Ride and contains only 153 pieces. It was released under set number 40603. This was the actual gift with purchase I missed originally, so I had to pick this copy up on eBay, and I was really motivated to buy it because I thought it looked really cool and would be a great addition to Bricktown, maybe even as a Bricktown story in the future too. Looking at the back of the box, you can also see a better look at what we're building. The set contains 3 minifigures, including 2 passengers for the carriage and the minifigure driving the main carriage itself. The set also contains a Lego horse, of course, in order to pull the carriage along. Inside the box we have 2 sets of bags and an instruction manual with no stickers. So now we're all set with all the pieces spread out, let's get going with our speed build. So here's the finished set. It's a nice looking set and it does remind me of the carriages you find running throughout parks throughout the world, in particular in big cities across Europe and in New York in Central Park. It does inspire me to perhaps include this in a future Bricktown story as I mentioned earlier, so keep an eye on the channel for maybe that popping up in the future. I might even splash out and buy another carriage set because I think a few of these dotted around the city would probably look quite nice. The set itself has a great hinged carriage which allows it to change in different directions, and there's some great curved lines here achieved by some curved bricks inside the set. The minifigures are good too, all wrapped up for winter, and I particularly like the carriageman who's holding a carrot here ready for the horse. So that's the set all in total. I'll be off now to add this to Bricktown, but before I go, do remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed this speed build, and hit that subscribe button too for the new ones coming up on the channel in the future. And until next time, stay safe and I'll see you then.